Now that I have my paper positioned where I want it to on my jig, I have my block of wood secure inside. If I'm going to be printing on this piece of paper again, I'm going to need to make registration marks. So I'm going to mark with a piece of pencil. I have a line here, I have a line here, and a line here. With that, I can match up this piece of paper to that line when I want to replace the paper over top of this block of wood. Registering is one of the more difficult elements of relief printmaking process, and it may take a little bit of time for you to get the finesse of registering correctly. Here, I'm not even going to fully print the block of wood, but I'm going to get a bit of an impression. I have an impression, but I want to replace this piece of paper back onto the block of wood and print it a second time. And I want to do so registering it perfectly so there isn't any overlap onto the image.